People jogging. Sprinklers. He's doing the most important. He's trying. Repetition makes you a king or a queen. Positive one. Giant buildings over there. Good morning. Happy people. We love happy people. It's like an eagle. It's like an eagle but a dinosaur. Eagle power. Lots of names right here. More names here. That country war memorial was first dedicated July 1st, 1943. Funds for its construction were raised in a door-to-door drive by the Harvey Seats Post, the American Legion. The inscription originally contained the names of 88 Dade Countyans who had already died in the World War II. On November 1944, another 110 names were added. The monument was dedicated in November. Several years out, this monument is donated by the Dade Heritage Trust, Donald and Selecting Memorial Fund, Gateway Momentum Company. Nice, some kind of nice little like memorial. Check out this plant right here and look at the mushrooms. Wow, I think these are edibles. Wow. Do you know this mushroom? Let me know if you know about mushrooms. It's maybe not edible, but it's beautiful. Remember that mushrooms have the power like the energy, the positive energy can spread all around the world. Hi, beautiful. Oh, look, love. That guy has a teacher. Beautiful. Hey, brother, can we get the message of the teacher? And the video right here. Love. Oh my God. Look, this beautiful family. Hey, thank you. We do videos of love and positivity for the world. Yes, sir. Hey, you guys are the best. Yes, sir. You see how beautiful, like this beautiful family on the park, dad taking care, and his message is a love. Wow, huh? Wow. It's really nice. And let's keep it flowing. Woo! Miami Beach. Beautiful. Look at the fountain. Look at the buildings over there. They're giant. Green spaces, beautiful and clean green spaces. Wow, we're gonna go check that boat. Let's go check that big boat. Yeah, buddy, yeah. Keep going. Woohoo! Love and positivity for the run. Miami is beautiful. There's a shark right there. It's kind of wet. Look how beautiful. People is chilling right here. No worries, everybody's happy. There's a wave right there. Wow, it's beautiful. Look at the birds. I wanna see the boat. A wave, dolphin, turtle, some kind of animal. We're gonna go see that boat right there. Wow, huh? Cloud pepper. Oh, ibis. Wow. The ibis has the power. It's the bird of the Egyptian culture. The ibis carry wisdom. There's one over there with black tips. The last one, this is like black feathers. Wow, they're so beautiful. Hola, ibis. Spicy like global family community love you. Look at the trees. Coconut palms. Wow. Mega boat. Look at this giant boat. Woo, there we go. Use the power. Okay, Chefe! How much? How much to buy? 40 million, baby! Yee! Hey, go big or go home. Hey, the best is love and positivity for the world. My brothers. Yes, sir. Hell yeah, baby. Love and positivity for the world in Miami. We're doing good. Thank you, United States of America, for accepting our energy of love and positivity for the world. And this is the seafair. 40 million. This is what 40 million can buy you. Remember, if you want to buy a boat like this, contact me because I'll go and show it for you just for fun. And the more important, to create positive energy. So if you have a boat too, I can go to your boat and create positive energy for you. Now, you said, what is all this about the positive energy? The positive energy is an energy that is created by control and repetition of focused thought into thoughts that have positive impact, meaning wise that affect other energies positive. That's the whole thing about the positive energy, is creating things that don't take energy from others on bigger scales. So it's really interesting to understand, and this is what I have learned, and this is the power that I have to create love and positivity for the world. And it's all because you. It's all because you're watching. Look at that. Wow. Grand Lux 40 million. Wow, look at that one. If you have a boat like that too, see the name? Rumi. Wow, Rumi. Wow, the name of the boat is Rumi. Rumi is a guy known for many years. I don't know like his culture. He's like Persian or, well, but he was the poem, the biggest guy. He had superpowers too of love. This is how I know Rumi, because Rumi contacted me on a dream. And then I'm like, who's Rumi? Rumi is this guy that makes poems of love. He's like the guy that gives more love, and he understands it. So if you like Rumi, look, we're doing love and positivity videos, and we are looking about, and I'm like, let's use the name, and it's Rumi. This is the energy that we created. It matches. Sometimes people will say, oh, crazy, but it's not crazy. No, you need to see it as, instead of saying crazy, you say it's powerful, you understand it, and then you take it, because then you can start controlling that kind of energy. Because if you said it's crazy, you cannot take it, because you're not believing it, because you have the power. You have the power of the love. Look this, how beautiful. Blue. Wow, huh? Amazing, amazing, amazing. We have my brother right here running, and look how beautiful. Beautiful day. Yes, yes, yes. It's a runner, yeah. Hey, love and positivity for the world. Look at that. Okay, wow. Do you know what is that? That's the reflection of the sun. It's like us. We are reflection of the sun. Wow, this is, if you want to understand energy, this is actually a really good way, because you come here and then you see that. And that, exactly that is what we cannot see. That's the grid. That's everywhere. And that we can have it on positive or we can have it on negative. Both are the same. It's just the thought. The thought is what creates your reality. So make sure to keep being happy, because we give you the power to be happy, and that's the most important thing for us. Being happy, sharing the love, and look at how beautiful. I mean, things are beautiful here. Coconut palms right here, real estate. Now selling exclusive residence. Gotta love the real estate, baby. Wow, it's quiet here. I like it. By the ocean and quiet. Look at that building, tall. That's the family we're building. It's so beautiful. I like to see the colors. Oh, look at the bird. Life is like a pattern of colors. Wow, look at the bird, so beautiful. Oh, hey, what's up, buddy? Love and positivity for the world. Yes, 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 yes. Somebody came and told me, hey, you're crazy. You're the first person I have ever. And I'm like, yeah, but crazy good. Look at the fishes. Swim, swim, fishes on the sea of the love. Yeah, happy. Dance and flow, swim fishes on the sea of the love, happy. Oh wow! Oh, we have a party boat, family. Okay, we keep it flowing. Wow, we're having so much fun in Miami, and everything is beautiful. The most beautiful is the positive energy. You guys in Miami are beautiful too. Remember always that, please. Doesn't matter whatever other person tells you. Remember that the Spicy Life Global Family told you that you are the most beautiful. It's a beautiful day right here. Look at the art, styles. Interesting. Oh wow, look at this rock. This is the Corallina.
Hey, yo, they'll be paying attention, bro.
Hey, Corallina. As a Corallina's rock stone, you see? It's fossil. I know this because I have seen it. There's a party right there, party boat. Another party boat right there. They're having fun. Buildings, Polsinelli, Ocean Club. That's a really good restaurant. Okay, Spicy Life Global. Thank you for being on a Sunday. Beautiful day, sharing the love and positivity for the world. And remember, love and positivity are contagious. You and me, globally in the world, we keep it flowing. Which country do you want us to go next? We want to go and spread love and positivity where? Europe, South America. Let us know. We love you. Spicy Life, love and positivity for the world. Positivity for the world. Love. For the world.